What happens is a country basically lives together when there is hope. Whatever hope, हम विश्व गुरु बनेंगे, we'll become super power, 5 साल में हम 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी बनेंगे. Some hope, and some things keep happening. So the common masses who are not very aware of things how they happen, hope is really, really, and Marx said that opium is what did he say? What
Religion is
religion?
the opium of the masses.
Yeah, and I'll say hope is the opium of citizens in a democracy. So hope is a bigger addiction. So hope on one hand, and general sense of prosperity or happiness, culturally happy, socially happy, economically happy, and that's how you become together. That's how you come together, and that leads you. And that happens when you have great leadership. Unfortunately, what is happening is that there is no plan, nobody is speaking, people are scared to speak कि भाई अभी मैं बोल दूं और कल को थर्ड वेव आ जाए और मैं बोलूं और थर्ड वेव नहीं आए तो इट्स बेटर टू बी सेफ देन डू एनीथिंग एल्स. भाई घर में भी फैमिली में क्या होता है एज अ फादर, not in a patriarchal way, but whoever is the leader of the house, your father, your grandfather, or your wife, whoever is the leader or two leaders, husband and wife, क्या करते हैं वो लोग? वो एक होप होती है ना घर में, there is a hope about everything, and there is happiness, prosperity. और जब प्रॉब्लम आता है, if there is some kind of a problem, then leaders of the family sit down, they make children aware of it, and then everybody fights it together because there's a hope that will come out of it if we do 1 2 3 4. Right now the problem is, the only thing we know is कि पट्टी बांधो मुंह पे और सॉरी मास्क बांधो मुंह के ऊपर, हाथ सैनिटाइज करो और 2 गज दूरी करो, और इनमें से तीनों में से कोई कुछ नहीं करता है. इसलिए नहीं करते हैं लोग बिकॉज दे नो कि इससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Unless and until the leadership shows a path, whatever it can go wrong in the future, but some plan, some policy that this is what we are doing. Okay, why tell me, I am fully vaccinated, why should I suffer? Why should I not be able to lead my normal life? Why I was going into Covaxin, that app, for so many days, struggling, asking doctors to get. Why did I have to do that if there is no change in my life? This is
Like I said,
something.
yeah,
Leadership is
see,
a.
it's a very important point about leadership. See, leadership in India, we don't have a crisis of leadership. We have a crisis of common sense. See, the point is that when your essence, वो जो फ्रेंच में वर्ड है ना, raison d'être, या पंजाबी में
Yeah.
उसको जुगनी कहते हैं. So when
हाँ.
your essence in the discourse, एक discourse की essence जब हो जाती है safetyism और irrational safetyism, तो ये सब चीजें होती हैं. Look, अभी social distancing in a city like Mumbai or in a country like India is a privilege. When
Yeah.
will people accept that? So let's talk about Mumbai again. Mumbai as a city, 68 to 70% of the people in Mumbai live in slums. I mean, this is government data. I am not making this up, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Delhi mein it's a
Or
50-50 ratio.
slums and
Yeah,
slum like.
slum like. And Delhi mein it is 50-50. ठीक है. अभी इसमें लोग कहते हैं कि आप सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग प्रैक्टिस करो. अरे मेरे भाई, तुम धारावी या मानकुड़ शिवाजी नगर, जैसे बॉम्बे में मैं 2 नाम दे रहा हूँ, एक मानकुड़ शिवाजी नगर और एक धारावी, ये करने का स्कोप नहीं है उधर. आप बोलते हो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग करो. कहां से करें मेरे भाई? हाउ डू आई डू दिस? आई मीन, कोई मेरे को कोई रैशनल आदमी आके, सी माय होल पॉइंट वाज, सेकंड, इंडिया की प्रॉब्लम क्या है मालूम है? अगेन, लोगों को बहुत गुस्सा आएगा. सी, इंडिया इज अ developing country pretending to be a developed country. I'm being very honest over here. हमारी problem क्या है मालूम है? We want to have policies of the developed world. We
Yeah,
want to
yeah,
have
yeah.
full lockdown policies, but people don't remember one thing. When Australia locks down, or when Europe locked down, when America locked down, when Canada locked down, ask your friends in Australia, Europe, America, and Canada how much money they get weekly in their bank accounts for doing nothing, just sitting at home,
Yeah.
because they are locked down and they might lose their livelihood. Second, how much money in the form of extremely low percentage loans were given to businesses कि तुमको जब देना है वापस दे देना. ठीक है. अभी उससे कंपेयर करो. अभी कोई मेरे को आके बोलेगा मगर सरकार ने लोन्स दिए, वो लोन्स कितनों को मिले हैं, किस लेवल पे मिले हैं, कैसे मिले हैं, उसके ऊपर चर्चा बाद में कर लेंगे. फर्स्ट पार्ट, has the government of India given a single penny? has the government of Maharashtra or any state government given a single penny to an average person? Abhi somebody will come back, the Maharashtra government give 1300 rupees to housemates and 1300 rupees to rickshaw wala. So thank you very much sir, itna bada aapne dil dikhaya hai. But I know people who run restaurants, people who run small shops, people who run small businesses, small workshops have not gotten a single penny. The central government did, you know what, in the first wave, they said, we will expedite the release of your TDS and GST refunds. अबे वो तो मेरा ही पैसा था, मेरा ही पैसा मुझे दे रहे हो और बाद में बोल रहे हो दिया ना, अरे वाह क्या कमाल है. So the thing is that we have implemented a developed country policy, and then we have not implemented the developed country compensation. So compensation की बारी आती है तो हमारे politicians ठेंगा दिखाते हैं हमको. So my point, और दूसरा, when you implement a lockdown, it is implemented under the assumption that we have the same density of population, the same behavioral patterns, the same infrastructure like the developed world. Can tell me, how do you practice? भाई मुंबई एक ऐसा शहर है जिसकी लाइफलाइन लोकल ट्रेन है. I know crorepati's also who live in, Mira Road, Bhayandar, and they hop on the train and they come daily to Kalba Devi market to sell their fabric, or, Lohar Chal mein jaake apne electronics ki items bechenge ya jo karna hai karenge. They come in the train because the trains are very convenient. Boss, first class ho ya dusri class ho, Mumbai trains are khachakach bhari hui. You have basically screwed them all over. And now you don't even compensate. देखो compensation होती थी ना तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मैं भी मुस्टंडे के जैसे घर में बैठा रहता था, मेरा स्टाफ भी बैठा रहता था. पॉइंट ये है कि they are not compensating. और दूसरा पॉइंट क्या है, they keep lying. Look, Vivek, we all know recently, I think it was on the 20th of July 2021, when the ICMR made an announcement that they did a 4th round of national sero survey for COVID-19, and overall zero prevalence of 67.6% in the entire population. अर्थात कि almost 70% लोगों को भारत में कोविड की एंटीबॉडीज आई है. नाउ लेट मी अज्यूम कि उसमें 15% चढ़ा के बोला हुआ है, 15%, तो भी आधी पॉपुलेशन को कोविड हो गया. देन नेचुरल क्वेश्चन क्या होना चाहिए था विवेक? वी शुड हैव आस्क्ड आवर पॉलिटिशियंस, ऑल स्टेट एंड सेंट्रल, कि यू जीनियसेस, यू डिड अ लॉकडाउन, क्या उखाड़ा? Success का, okay, tell me what is the gauge of the success of a policy like lockdown? कोविड हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? मतलब सबको हो गया, लॉकडाउन भी सक्सेसफुल है, ये तो मतलब है कि मैं सच भी नहीं बोलता और मैं झूठ के नजदीक भी नहीं जाता. इस दोनों कैसे हो सकता है? So I don't understand. And as far as your point of leadership is concerned, this is not a crisis of leadership. This is a clear indication of the overall quality of political discourse in India, where Rahul Gandhi in the first wave said, why are we locking down? Lockdowns are bad. And Rahul Gandhi in the second wave said, why are we not locking down? Lockdowns are good. This is leadership in India, Vivek.
True. And yesterday he was addressing 1,000 people rally, everybody like shoulder to shoulder, sitting on each other's shoulders, But I find certain things which is incomprehensible for me. For example, gyms are open, gardens are open, parks are open, and in my area in Warsaw and Jew area, they are खच. मतलब आप गार्डन में जाओगे ना, मैं गया एक दिन तो मैं गेट से ही वापस आ गया लौट के. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं विरार फास्ट लोकल में चढ़ रहा हूँ. लोग शोल्डर 10-20 लोग के ग्रुप में, I mean, as if I can't explain it to you, भरा हुआ था पूरा. ऐसे gyms, gyms को तुम देखो भरे हुए हैं. They are like crowded and so many people are doing it, but they won't open swimming pools. Now, I did a lot of study on swimming pool, because my knee broke. So for physiotherapy, they said do some aqua exercise and all that. So I was looking, we have a swimming pool in our building, but society people are such that they don't want anybody enjoy anything or do anything good in life. तो मैं सबसे ये कहता हूँ, अच्छा भाई, जब आपसे क्या कहते हैं कि आप बाहर से आओ तो हाथ धो पानी से ना, तो पानी से तो नहीं होता है ना, पानी में
साबुन वाले पानी से,
नहीं, पानी से पूरा नहीं. If you do rubbing action with water, it won't happen, So swimming pool, that's why they're open everywhere, and they say it's not waterborne, it's airborne. Problem ये होता है when swimming pool में 10-20 लोग इकट्ठे हो जाए. तो SOPs फिल्म जैसे फिल्म शूटिंग के लिए उन्होंने बनाया that there can't be more than 30-40 people. Unrealistic. They are still shooting with 150-200 people. Then they said you can shoot only till 4 o'clock. How can you shoot till 4 o'clock when you are paying somebody from 9 to 10? You know, and how can you, वो तो उतने ही पैसे देगा घर से निकलने के. Third problem, there are no locals. And out of 5 lakh people who work officially in this industry, 4 lakh 99,000, it's just privileged couple of 3,000-4,000 people. Otherwise, everybody travels by local. Now my assistants have stopped coming. They said, no, we cannot come because I live in Mira Road and it costs me $1,000 coming and going. The girls, you know, at night they get only Ola and all that kind of thing to go to Mira Road. Autos don't take them. So whatever. But even if 500 rupees a day, उनकी salary इतनी होती नहीं है. और अगर सबकी salary बढ़ाए तो कैसे बढ़ाए? There is no business in entertainment. So there are a lot of contradictions, but there is nobody who's willing to talk. There's nobody who's willing to listen.